Our staff goes that extra mile to ensure that everyone walks away happy and satisfied. It's part of our top-notch 5-star experience, and we're excited to share our latest rave review with you. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us, and that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.